Feeling overwhelmed? Too many tasks, too many emails, pending timelines? Well, what if I told you that there is a very simple way out of it? Stay with me for the next 5 minutes and I promise to help you learn how you can address all these issues, increase your efficiency, and in the end, become an amazing person. Welcome to my e-lesson, and in this video, we will be talking about the Eisenhower Matrix, which is also known as the Urgent Important Matrix, which is a powerful time management tool to help you decide what truly matters. Named after the US President Dwight D. Eisenhower, who was known for his incredible productivity, this method allows you to prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. The Eisenhower Matrix allows you to divide your tasks in 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, which is called Do, which refers to urgent and important tasks. These are the tasks which require immediate attention. You need to do them now. Examples: project deadline, medical emergency, boss gave an important task. Quadrant 2, plan. These are important tasks but not urgent. These are the ones which decide your future. Schedule them appropriately and give them time. Examples: strategic planning, review of your accounts, review of your projects, thinking ahead, learning a new skill. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. These are the tasks which are urgent but not important. Delegate these tasks. Let somebody else do them for you. Example: setting up meetings, answering certain routine emails which can be either automated or delegated to somebody in your team who can answer those. Quadrant 4, I call it delete. Not urgent, not important. Do not do them. These are time wasters, will not take you anywhere. Example: some social media message, some trivial fun fact sent to you by your colleague. You know the drill, how your time gets wasted there. In the next segment, we will talk about how to apply the Eisenhower Matrix in your day-to-day life. Now, to apply the Eisenhower Matrix in your day-to-day life to increase your productivity, what I would suggest is list down all your tasks. Now, categorize them into 4 quadrants, the way that we just discussed. Do, plan, delegate, delete. Do is for urgent and important. Plan is for important but not urgent. Delegate, urgent but not important. And 4th, delete. No need to do them. Ideally, such tasks should not be on your list itself. In the next segment, we'll be talking about the Eisenhower Matrix in action. Now imagine starting your day with a prioritized list of action items that you need to do. Tell me, wouldn't that give you clarity on what needs to be done, how that needs to be handled, how you plan your day? Believe me, these 5 minutes that you have spent on this video will help you in increasing your productivity to the next level. Now, for those of you who have stayed with us till the end, there is a template that I've created which you can use in your day-to-day life to prioritize your tasks. The link of the template is mentioned in the description. Go ahead and download it. It's totally free. So until the next video, this is Heyman signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.